TNPSC Combined Statistics Services Exam Unit 3. Today we are discussing two continuous distributions, uniform and exponential. In the previous classes we were discussing about discrete distributions. Now we are moving on to continuous distributions. We know that a continuous variable or variate will have continuous distribution. A variate x which can take any value in an interval ab, that is a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b of arithmetic continuum, is a continuous variable. The probability density function f of x of the random variable x in the interval ab is defined as f of x is equal to 0 if x less than a, phi of x if a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, and 0 if x greater than b. Now let us see some model questions related to continuous distribution. The total density of probability in the entire range is equal to dash. The answer is unity. Question number 2. The total area under the frequency curve is dash. The answer is unity. Question number 3. The distribution function of x is given as dash. The answer is f of x is equal to p of x less than or equal to small x is equal to integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. Question number 4. If a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, then integral a to b f of x dx is dash. The answer is f of b minus f of a. Here f of b and f of a are distribution functions. Question number 5. F of minus infinity is equal to dash and f of infinity is equal to dash. The answer is 0 and 1. Note: in the last unit, we had discussed different formulas for calculating mean, variance, median, percentiles, etc. The mode is the solution of f dash of x is equal to 0 and f double dash of x less than 0, provided that both the derivatives exist. The point of inflection of a continuous frequency curve y is equal to f of x is obtained by putting f double dash of x is equal to 0 and verifying f triple dash of x not equal to 0, provided that both the derivatives exist. Question number 6. The MGF of a continuous distribution function is dash. The answer is integral a to b e raised to tx into f of x dx. Question number 7. The rth row moment of a continuous distribution function is dash. The answer is mu r dash is equal to integral a to b x raised to r into f of x dx. Question number 8. The rth central moment of a continuous distribution function is dash. The answer is mu r is equal to integral a to b x minus mu the whole raised to r into f of x dx. Now we are going to discuss different continuous distributions. Our first continuous distribution is uniform distribution. A random variable x is said to have a continuous uniform distribution over an interval ab if its probability density function is constant, which we can call k, over the entire range of x. That is, f of x is equal to k for a less than x less than b and 0 for all other values. Since the total probability is always unity, we have integral a to b f of x dx is equal to 1, which implies k into integral a to b dx is equal to 1. That is, k is equal to 1 by b minus a. Therefore, the probability density function of uniform distribution is given by f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a when a less than x less than b and 0 for all other values. Here a and b are the two parameters of the uniform distribution on interval AB. The distribution is also known as rectangular distribution since the curve y is equal to f of x describes a rectangle over the x-axis between the coordinates at x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Now let us discuss some model questions related to uniform distribution. Question number 1. What is the PDF of uniform distribution in the interval AB? The answer is f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a when a less than x less than b and 0 for all other values. Question number 2. What is the distribution function of uniform distribution? The answer is f of x is equal to 0 if minus infinity less than x less than a and x minus a by b minus a if a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b and 1 if b less than x less than infinity. Question number 3. What is the PDF of uniform distribution in the interval minus a? The answer is 1 by 2a where minus a less than x less than a and 0 for all other values. Question number 4. What is the mean of uniform distribution? The answer is b plus a divided by 2. Question number 5. What is the variance of uniform distribution? The answer is b minus a the whole square divided by 12. Question number 6. What is the rth row moment of uniform distribution? The answer is mu r dash is equal to 1 by b minus a into b raised to r plus 1 minus a raised to r plus 1 divided by r plus 1. Question number 7. What is the moment generating function of uniform distribution? The answer is e raised to bt minus e raised to at divided by t into b minus a, where t is not equal to 0. Question number 8. What is the characteristic function of uniform distribution? The answer is e raised to ibt minus e raised to iat divided by it into b minus a, given t not equal to 0. Question number 9. What is the mean deviation about mean of uniform distribution? The answer is b minus a divided by 4. Question number 10. What is the measure of skewness in case of an uniform distribution? The answer is beta 1 is equal to 0 or gamma 1 is equal to 0. Question number 11. What is the measure of kurtosis in case of a uniform distribution? The answer is beta 2 is equal to 9 by 5 or gamma 2 is equal to minus 6 by 5. Question number 12. Beta 1 and beta 2 reveals that uniform distribution is dash and dash. The answer is symmetrical and plateaukartic. Question number 13. What central tendency does not exist for a uniform distribution? The answer is mod, since the probability at each point in the interval AB remains the same. Mod does not exist for uniform distribution. Our next distribution is exponential distribution. A continuous random variable x assuming non-negative values is said to have an exponential distribution with parameter theta greater than 0 if its PDF is given by f of x is equal to theta into e raised to minus theta x if x greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for all other values. Exponential distribution is usually denoted as expo of theta, that is expo of theta. Now let us discuss some model questions related to exponential distribution. Question number 1. What is the PDF of exponential distribution in the interval AB? The answer is f of x is equal to theta e raised to minus theta x if x greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for all other values. Also given that theta is greater than 0. Question number 2. What is the distribution function of exponential distribution? The answer is f of x is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus theta x, where x is greater than or equal to 0. And for all other values of x, the function is 0. Question number 3. What is the mean of exponential distribution? The answer is 1 by theta. Question number 4. What is the variance of exponential distribution? The answer is 1 by theta square. Question number 5. What is the rth row moment of exponential distribution? The answer is mu r dash is equal to r factorial divided by theta raised to r. Question number 6. What is the moment generating function of exponential distribution? The answer is 1 minus t by theta the whole raised to minus 1. Question number 7. What is the characteristic function of exponential distribution? The answer is 1 minus it by theta the whole raised to minus 1. Question number 8. What is the measure of skewness in case of an exponential distribution? The answer is beta 1 is equal to 4 or gamma 1 is equal to 2. Question number 9. What is the measure of kurtosis in case of an exponential distribution? The answer is beta 2 is equal to 9 or gamma 2 is equal to 3. Question number 10. Beta 1 and beta 2 reveals that exponential distribution is dash and dash. The answer is skewed and leptokurtic. Question number 11. If x follows exponential distribution, then p of y less than or equal to x given x greater than or equal to k, where y is equal to x minus k and x greater than or equal to 0 is dash. The answer is p of x less than or equal to x. That is, exponential distribution lacks memory. Question number 12. Difference of exponential distribution gives dash distribution. The answer is Laplace. Note that if theta is equal to 1, then it becomes standard Laplace distribution.